Cleaning day at home.
Okay, I think we need to admit something.
What's that?
This living room is officially a disaster.
Hey, it's not that bad.
Really? There's a coffee mug under the couch.
Okay, maybe it's a little bad.
A little?
Fine, it's pretty bad. But we've both been busy this week.
I know, between work, grocery shopping, and everything else, cleaning wasn't exactly our top priority.
Exactly. So today is cleaning day.
Sounds good. Where do we start?
I'll wipe down the coffee table and clean the shelves.
Then I'll vacuum the floor and the rug.
Perfect. And don't forget the corners.
I never forget the corners.
You definitely forgot them last time.
Okay, maybe once.
More like 3 times.
Wow, you really keep track of everything, don't you?
Somebody has to.
All right. I'll do a thorough job today.
Good. Here, put on these gloves.
Do I really need gloves?
Yes, we're using cleaning products.
I feel like I'm about to perform surgery.
You're vacuuming a living room, not operating on someone.
Same level of pressure.
You're so dramatic.
I prefer the word passionate.
Sure you do.
So, where's the vacuum?
Right behind you.
Oh, that would explain why I couldn't find it.
You didn't even look.
I looked emotionally.
That doesn't count.
It should.
No, it shouldn't.
Okay, vacuuming starts now.
Wait.
What?
Pick up those books first. You can't vacuum over them.
I knew that.
Uh-huh.
I was just testing you.
Testing me.
Yeah, and congratulations, you passed.
Thank you, Professor.
You're welcome.
Seriously, put the books on the shelf.
Got it.
And those shoes, too?
Why are there shoes in the living room?
Those are yours.
Oh, well, that explains it.
You leave your stuff everywhere.
I do not leave my stuff everywhere.
Your hoodie is on the dining chair.
That's temporary storage.
Your baseball cap is on the kitchen counter.
Also temporary storage.
And your socks are... Okay, you've made your point.
I'm glad we agree.
Fine. I'll pick everything up. Thank you.
But I have one question.
What?
Why is there a hair clip in the refrigerator?
What?
I found one yesterday next to the milk.
Okay, I have absolutely no explanation for that.
See? We both have problems.
One hair clip does not cancel out your entire collection of clothes around the house.
Worth a try.
Nice try.
All right, I'm turning on the vacuum now.
Go ahead.
Wow, this thing is loud.
It's a vacuum. What did you expect?
I don't know, maybe a quiet, peaceful experience?
Then meditate.
Maybe after this.
You know what? Put on some music. Cleaning goes faster with music.
Now you're talking.
Just don't pick something that makes you stop cleaning and start dancing.
I can multitask.
You tried that last time and you almost knocked over a lamp.
Almost is the important word there.
Please be careful.
I will.
You mean it.
Yes, Mom.
Don't call me Mom.
Sorry.
Better.
Okay, starting with the rug.
Make sure you go over it slowly.
Why?
Because the vacuum works better that way.
You've really studied this, haven't you?
I watched the cleaning video once.
Ah, so now you're an expert.
Exactly.
I respect that confidence.
Thank you.
Hey, look at all this dust.
That's why we're cleaning.
I know, but where does it all come from?
I have no idea. Dust just appears out of nowhere.
It's like the house gets dirty while we're sleeping.
Honestly, sometimes it feels that way.
Okay, the rug is looking better already.
Nice. I'm almost done with the coffee table.
You missed a spot.
Where?
Right there.
That's a reflection.
Oh.
Mr. Expert.
Hey, I'm still learning.
Apparently.
What cleaner are you using?
Just an all-purpose cleaner.
Does it smell like lemons?
Yeah, I like the fresh smell.
Me too. It makes the whole place feel cleaner.
Even before we finish cleaning.
Exactly. Can you move the vacuum over here when you're done?
Sure. You want me to vacuum under the couch too?
Absolutely. I was afraid you were going to say that.
What do you think is under there?
Hopefully nothing alive.
Very funny.
I'm serious. We haven't moved this couch in forever.
Well, today's the day.
Okay, help me move it.
Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, there's a lot under here.
I see a pen.
2 pens.
Some coins.
And wait, is that the TV remote?
No way.
That explains where it went.
We spent 20 minutes looking for that last week.
And you blamed me.
Because you always lose the remote.
This time, the couch lost it.
Sure, blame the furniture.
I'm just stating the facts.
Look, there's also one of your old earbuds.
I've been looking for that for months.
Maybe cleaning isn't so bad after all.
Yeah, it's like going on a treasure hunt.
A very dusty treasure hunt.
True.
Okay, vacuum under there before we move the couch back.
On it.
Wow, that actually looks much better.
See? I told you I'd do a thorough job.
I'm impressed.
Wait, did you just compliment my cleaning skills?
Don't get used to it.
Too late. I'm writing this day down.
You're ridiculous.
But the floor is clean.
That's true.
How are the shelves coming along?
Pretty good. I'm dusting them and putting the books back in order.
Do they really need to be in order?
Yes,
Why?
because it looks nicer.
I thought books were supposed to be read, not organized.
They can be both.
Fair enough.
Can you hand me that cloth?
This one?
No, the clean one.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Here you go.
Thanks. You know, we should probably clean more often.
I was just thinking the same thing. Maybe Saturday mornings?
Saturday mornings, that's a little early for me.
Okay, Saturday afternoons.
That sounds better.
We could split up the chores.
Yeah, that would make it easier.
I can vacuum and take out the trash.
And I can dust and wipe down the furniture.
What about the bathroom?
We can take turns.
Deal.
But if you're cleaning the bathroom, I'm checking your work.
You really don't trust me, do you?
I trust you, I just trust cleaning wipes more.
Ouch.
You'll survive.
I'm starting to feel like I deserve a reward.
For cleaning your own house?
Exactly. It's hard work.
What kind of reward?
Pizza.
I knew you were going to say food.
Food is the best reward.
What about making lunch instead?
After all this cleaning?
We can order something.
Now we're talking.
Maybe burgers?
Or tacos.
Tacos sound good.
Tacos it is.
Only after we finish.
Of course.
And by finish, I mean everything.
Yes, boss.
Don't call me boss.
Sorry, you're very strict today.
Somebody has to keep us focused.
That's true.
Okay, I'm done with the table.
Nice. It looks great.
Thanks. The floor looks great too.
We make a pretty good cleaning team.
We do.
You handle the details,
And I do the heavy lifting.
plus the vacuuming.
Yes, you seem very proud of that vacuum.
It's become part of my identity now.
Please don't name it.
I was thinking Dustbuster.
That's already a thing.
Okay, I'll work on it.
Please don't.
So what's left?
We need to put the cleaning supplies away, straighten the sofa pillows, and take out the trash.
That's easy.
Good. Let's finish strong.
You sound like a coach.
And you sound like someone who needs motivation.
Fair.
Okay, straighten these pillows.
Like this?
A little higher.
This?
Perfect.
See, I have an eye for interior design.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
One compliment at a time, huh?
Exactly.
Cleaning supplies are going back in the cabinet.
Great. I'll put these cloths in the laundry.
I'll take out the trash.
Thanks.
Be right back.
Okay,
I'm back.
that was fast.
The trash cans are right outside.
Good point.
So, are we done?
Let me look around.
Uh-oh.
What?
Whenever you say, let me look around, I know we're not done.
Relax.
I'm trying. What?
Honestly, it looks really good.
Yes.
We did it.
High five.
High five.
Wow, the room feels completely different now.
It feels bigger, too.
And it smells amazing.
That lemon cleaner really did its job.
So did we.
Yeah, we got a lot done.
Next time, let's not wait until the living room becomes a disaster.
Agreed.
Saturday afternoons?
Saturday afternoons.
Deal.
Deal.
Now about those tacos.
I knew you wouldn't forget.
Never.
Go ahead and order them.
Really?
Yeah, we earned it.
Best thing you've said all day.
Even better than I'm impressed.
Okay, that was a close second.
I'll take it.
What do you want on your tacos?
Chicken, lettuce, cheese, and salsa.
No onions?
No onions.
Got it.
And get some chips and guacamole.
Done.
This was actually kind of fun.
Cleaning?
Cleaning together.
Yeah, it was better than doing it alone.
Exactly.
Same time next Saturday?
Let's not get too excited.
Fair enough.
But yes, probably.
I'll hold you to that.
Only if you remember to clean under the couch.
Don't worry, I won't forget.
We'll see.
You know what? I'm putting the vacuum away before you find another job for me.
Smart move.
And then tacos.
Definitely tacos.
Best cleaning day ever.
Let's not go that far.
Okay, best cleaning day so far.
Now that I can agree with.
Perfect. Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.